Hello, my friend. Welcome to my another learning journey about Japanese. In this lecture, we learn how to ask questions with Japanese, and you learn some kind of helper like functions. Actually, you can think like that because it will be like what how to ask question with the what, where, who, and how you can make one sentence like question to put end of to this word ga, which is this one ka. I mean, sorry. So okay, something going to be crazy. So through some different method, but you learn more good things with me. Don't worry about that. Step by step, we'll learn all of them and you'll feel very good. Okay, let's get started. We sang simple questions with ka, this one. Let's talk about asking and answering questions, making a sentence into a yes, no question. Yes mean, if I remember good, kai. No mean iye, like that. Kai, iye, I think. If I remember good. I will check it. Question is very easy. You just add the particle ka to the end of your sentence. Let's think like what. I will try to create a sentence. Let's say this is no, no, no. The cat is very cat is good. Cat is very good. Like cat is good. 昨日は、猫は、猫は嫌いです。Right. 嫌いです。Let's say 猫は嫌いです。猫は嫌いです。Right. 猫は嫌いです。Now it is cat is good. The cat is good. But when you ask question like, is that is that cute cat? Like, is that cute cat? Right? Like that. You need to do, you need to put end of this sentence ka, which is will be like that. Neko wa, neko wa kirai desu ka. The end of this sentence ka will be question. So our thing will be the cat very cute will be, is that cat cute? Like will be question. Okay. You don't even need to add a question mark, but you can if you want to. Right? If you want, you can put, okay? Don't worry about that. But if you put car, it's also good. Let's come down. Let's start. Yeah, let's go a little bit down to here. Okay. Okay, that's example same. The cat is cute, I told you. Neko wa ki Neko wa karei is, sorry, not kirai. Karei, I mean. Neko wa karei desu. Neko wa karei desu. Neko wa karei desu. Let's look and translate. Um, okay, let's do it Japanese if possible. This one is Japanese. Now I will try to pronounce it. Let's look. Okay, I love it. I think I cannot do it because I'm already speaking in record video. Anyway, but I know what I'm saying. Like Nekowa Kiraides will be this one. I mean, I will show you right now. Okay, take this one. Come here. Put it here. Cat is cute. Nekowa Kawaides. Kawaides. Hmm. Oh, sorry, this one is not re. Sorry, this one wa. Yeah, kawaii desu.
猫はかわいいです。
Neko wa kawaii desu. Right. Okay. Now here, the same sentence like neko wa kawaii desu. But if we put here end of the sentence like ka, which is with I'm demonstrating it with the green color, ka, this one, it will make it question like what is the cat cute? Okay, let's check it if it is true, if it is not lie. If you want, just tag this one, come here, put it right here. Our cats, not our cats. Neko wa kawaii desu ka? Are the cats cute? I think it's the cats. Like it will be is the cat cat. Let's do it again. What is different here? Nothing, but let's check it again. I don't know why it's saying like that, but it's mean like that. Okay, like is the cat cute? Like okay, not are because it is not plural. If we say cats, then okay, but we are calling here like singular. For that, we're using is. Anyway, a yes no question like this can be answered in two ways. This one, oh, there's. No, what's that? So this. But, so just you can say hi. Ah, okay, this is not kai. This one, hi. 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 If you say hi, it will be yes. If you say yeah, it will be no. If it is like that, it will be like that's true. If it say that's not true, like that, it will be what? Showa, showa, showa. Now it is 1 minute. Let's look at the first that one translated. That's right, right. I told you. So that's too. So that's
そうです。
so that's right. So that's will be that's right. But so let's say, or a more casual, it will be high. Okay, let's check if you want. Okay, yes, high.
はい。
Okay, another one, yeah, will be yeah, but let's look. So, so yeah, so let's look at. So Janaides, okay, Janai here will be make it negative, not mean like that's not, I told you, not the case, like that's not true, like that. So Janaides, so Janaides,
そうじゃないです。
right. Janai, it's this one. Yeah, it will make it not like negative. Okay, casually we can say yeah. Okay, so that's or so Janaides, another way. Okay, let's come here. Oh, we came a little more. Let's go a little right if we can. Okay. What we have here? We have nani, nani. I think nani, right? Another one to doko, right? Nani, doko. This one is ta da dare. Nani, doko, dare. Okay. Nani mean what? Doko mean where. Dare mean who. Okay. If we want to say where is the cat, we need to say Neco wa. Look, this is a very good point. How we can do it? Before explaining everything, I want to test on me. Okay, let's start like that. Neco wa doko desu. Okay, that's true. What do you think? Come here. Okay. Okay. No, I have to give me time. That's here. Neco wa. I will tag this one too there. Let's go back our first point. Okay, I will mix your brain a little bit, but don't worry. Okay, now I will explain everything very clearly. Then you will be fully understanding about that, fully clear. Sorry. Let's tag this one. Yeah, something will look little different because in Japanese you can put also between A and B. So let's say after A or before B, you can put here. Let's tag this one from here. Um, Neko wa. Yeah, delete this one. Put it here. Where is the cat? Did you see? Neko wa before. The first one will be our noun. Another one will be our topic maker. Then doko will be where, and des will be is or am. Yeah, but in this point, in this case, it will be is. Where is the cat? Like where is the cat? Okay, I think you got it. We can apply for anything. Like you can say who is teacher, or you can say it. We know mean of teacher. What is it? Sensei, right? Let's say sensei wa dare desu. Like who is teacher, right? That's good. I think you got it. Okay, I told you nani, doko, dare. If you want to ask a question that will give you more information, we'll need a question word. Question words in English are who, what, when, where, why, how, like that. Let's take a look at three of these words in Japanese, which is the first one, nan, what also written as nani, like that. And doko mean where, and dare mean who. That's good. In English, these words often come at the beginning of the sentence. What I'm saying, generally, we writing it like in English, like that. What is this? Like that. Right? But in Japanese, position will change for question. Sometime you can put also before a. I mean, okay, that's not always the case in Japanese talk. The subject what you are asking about will come first instead, which is we're talking about noun here. Nouns. It can be cat, teacher, cinema, or another things. Just like in the sentences we have already learned. Okay, we know that. Let's come down. What is it? Let's check it. It's looking a little bit in different position, but yeah. Okay, let's start it. The first sentence reads, what is this? Like what? This one here mean ko kore, I think. Let's check it if it is. I think kore is in this, but how are we calling it? In Japanese, we need to check it. Kore, right. Kore, right. Kore.
これ、
Kore. Kore means this. This one, kore wa. Kore wa nani desu ka? Kore wa nani desu ka? Like, is topic maker, mean like D or something like that. Nan des ka. This one is question. This one is mr. Mizar. This one is nan, which is mean what. This the mizar ka question. Let's concatenate all of them, composite all of them, bring here, put korewa nandeska, right? In kanji, you can see something still I didn't know about kanji. In the future, I will learn. Okay.
これは何ですか
Korewa nandeska. What is this? Mean like that. Where you translate it in the same order, it be this is what it will look like that, but it means like what is this? Let's come down. Here, I will try to read it. O te, I think te, right. O te a ra, I think this one. O te ara I, oto, ote, ote ara I, right. O te ara I wa ote are I wa doko desu ka? I think ote ara I will be bedroom. This again topic maker here, like mean D. This one is, das will be is, and ka and doko will make question. Like doko mean where. If I'm not pronouncing it or using wrong, you'll see the true. Right, correct. Where is the washroom? Ote arai wa doko desu ka?
お手洗いはどこですか
Ote arai wa doko desu ka? I told you. It means like that. Ote arai will be bathroom or washroom. Wa will be D here. Doko will be where. Des will be emizar. Ka will be question mark. Like that. I think you got it. What happened? I mean, red. Anyway, which is we call. And lastly, who is the teacher? Oh, sensei wa dore desu ka? This is like that. Sensei here, teacher. Wa, again D, and dore will be. Let's look if you want. For be sure about that. Yeah. Who is the teacher? Sensei wa dare desu ka? Dare desu ka? Not dore desu ka, sorry, da.
先生は誰ですか
Sensei wa dare desu ka? So what I'm saying here, listen clearly. So here sensei, our noun, okay, our noun. And after noun, our A point here, let's, if you want, I can write it here. Let's come here, say this point, I mean, here will be a point. Before a, like before a, I mean, our noun here. Let's say noun. After that, we have question, which is, you can say our question. Let's say question. And after question, we have emizar. Then we have question. Okay. So, I think who is the teacher? You understand? Sensei wa dore desu ka? Dare desu ka? So, like that. Who is the teacher? Notice the subjects, this bedroom and come first and the question words come after the what. I told you like that before. Let's come down. What is another example? Nan, naniga, naniga, skideska. Like, what do you like? I think. What do you like? I think if I'm right. What do you like? Naniga. Look here, it's not wa because our siki or kirai sometimes it will be hoshi, like dislike or want. It will change when we use them. We're using ga here. Some situation is changing when we say want or like or something like that. Okay, let's look at together. What do you like? Nani ga suki desu ka?
何が好きですか？
Right, I told you like that. Sometimes you might need to have the question word be the subject of a sentence. Let's look at the special adjectives. Adjectives, which is like siki, siki this one, and then kirai. I think kirai, right? If I remember good. For dislike, I mean don't, and then hoshi, which is want. Okay, we learned before siki, right? Kirai, dislike, and hoshi, want. We can create many more sentences like that. You can say what you want. Do you want to say what you want? Now we said, we told, what do you like? Let's say, what do you don't like? What you don't like. Okay, let's bring it here. Just put it here. What do you hate? Did you see? Now it's change our question. Naniga kirai desu ka? Okay, let's come again. Let's say, what do you want? Just you need to put here. You need to tag back. Put here. What do you want? 何が欲しいですか?
何が欲しいですか？
欲しいですか? Right. I think you get it, right? This is very clearly. Now we are using all these guys together. Okay? That's cool, I think. Noun and our adjectives. So our question and adjectives at the same time. If you want to ask someone what do you like, you'll follow the same pattern as we learned before with these adjectives using nani instead of an object. The same will be true for asking what do you want. You can answer the question using the same pattern we learned before. Okay. What what happened here? What happened here? Lesson. Okay. Nan naniga hoshi desu ka? Okay, this one will be what you want, which is I demonstrated before. Yeah, we check it already right together. The same will be true asking what do you want. Let's look here. What is that? O orai orega orega hoshi desu. Orega hoshi desu. I think orai. If I'm right, let's check it if it is true. Okay, I want mass. Right? Ochaga.
お茶が欲しいです。
Okay. Ochaga. Here, this one chaga, cha, like cha. Ochaga. But cha will be here with this, like this ya will be here cha. Directly, we will use it like that. Ochaga will see this. I want a mass. If so, our topic here, what just say, do you want something like no? what do you want? Right, what do you want? How we will use it? The first, you'll say, "Nani ga, nani ga hoshi desu ka? Nani ga hoshi desu ka?" You'll say, "Ocha ga hoshi desu." Right? I want a mass. I want something. I don't know what you want. This is kanji with kanji, but yeah, still, I told you I don't know kanji. So in the future, we'll learn about that too. You can answer the question using the same pattern. Like what? The mean of same pattern will be here again before A. You will put here our like mass, our noun again, and you'll put again your adjectives between A and B. The B side will be das here, which is emizar. Okay, I think we get it. Okay, let's come down this point. Right, this is a little crazy. Donna, Donna. I think this mean. Oh, I'm gonna say what kind of, right? Donna mean what kind of, yeah. So right now, yeah. Um, the things will be that things here. Things mean will be here. Ha. Yeah, I cannot read because the katakana side I have some problem. But hiragana, I'm very good on hiragana, but katakana a little difficult. Donna, Donna suppotsu ga, right? Donna suppotsu here, like sport. Okay, sports ga suki desu ka? Okay, what kind of sports do you like? Donna here, look, Donna here, what kind of sportsu? So this one with so the katakana because sports meaning it's coming from English. Like for that, it's katakana. Okay, it's mean it will be here sportsu. Sports mean like sportsu, and siki will be here like, and des will be here. Des emizar. Yeah, here, again, when we use these words, we put in here, when we have adjectives there, we put in ga. But when we have another one, then we using va, okay? Don't forget that. This is important. どのスポーツが好きですか?
どんなスポーツが好きですか？どんなスポーツが好きですか？
Donna sports you guys I think this is what kind of sports do you like, or what kind of let's take these sports and put here everything like sports, music, or movies, like everything you can ask there. What kind of instrument do you like? What kind of animals do you like? What kind of sports do you like? What kind of anything do you like? Okay. Just put here what you want before, again, before A. This point will be A. So, I mean, let's get it back. This point will be A. This point will be B. Like between A and B, our adjectives here, and ka, this is question, and this one is our noun. You can think like that. What kind of sports? Sports will be here. Donna will be there. Okay, I think you got it, right? No, no, supposed to ask desu ka? It will be like that. Generally, you can ask your question like that. Don't worry about that. I think this is clear. Again, here, our kanjis have here. Crazy kanjis when I see I'm coming crazy with it. Yeah, you might also want to ask what kind of things do you like or dislike. Let's say we put there kirai desu ka, like dona supotsu ga kirai desu ka? Like, what kind of sports do you hate? Like, what kind of, like, yeah, what kind of sports do you hate? What kind of, or let's put hoshi desu ka, like here, dona supotsu ga hoshi desu ka? Right, like that. Then it will be, what kind of sports do you want? Anyway, this is maybe not manly, but yeah. For this kind of question, we'll use the question word donna, what kind of, before the topic you are asking about colors, food, sports, etc. This question one would be asking what kinds of, what kinds of sports do you like? Okay. This basic questions, so okay. These basic question styles can really break open your conversation, so they give them a try. This is our last point. I think we learned very good things. Don't forget about ka. Ka will make question for your sentences. One example I will give again, like what, like 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 this is cat, which is we told about it. Neco Kareides, Kareides, right? Kareides. This is the cat is cute. But when we say Nekoa, like Nekoa Kareides ka will make it question. Okay, like, is that cute cat? Like, or another one, which is I told you, you can put the question words, which is who, where, this guys, which I told you, like nani, or when you use in sentence it will be nan, or doko or dare. Doko mean where, dare mean who. You can use like what, like that. Sensei wa, sensei wa dare desu ka? Right, it will be who is teacher. Or let's say, do you want something? Do you want teacher? How you can say, do you want teacher? Lads, this is one example I am gives you for, like, just think you are in accent. How you can say it? You can say it like what, Sensei, sensei ka. Not use wa here because we have adjectives between A and B. Let's say, sensei ga, sensei ga. They want teachers, right? They want teacher. Sensei wa hoshi desu ka? Sensei wa hoshi desu ka? Right, like that I think, right? Sensei wa hoshi desu ka? Or let's say, do you want cat? Yeah, you can say neko ga, not wa, okay? Because we have adjectives there, or verbs. You can think like that. Yeah, adjectives. Sorry, not verbs. So you can say, or verbs, you can use it also there where you can put verbs. Okay, you can say, do you want cat? Neko ga, neko ga hoshi desu ka? Do you like cat or do you hate cat? You can use also like that. If you want to say yes, I like cat, you can say like kai. I think kai, right? Or yeah, like no kai, or like yes. Or you can say I like cats. How are you gonna say? It will be. Just tag the end of this sentence ka, and just use your sentence without ka. End of end of the sentence like that. So this one, Neko wa嫌いです。No, Neko wa suki desu ka. Suki desu. Sorry, Neko wa suki desu. Neko, Neko ga suki desu ka. Right. Suki desu, right? Like that. I like cats. Okay, this is all. Thank you so much for joining. I think you learned more with me. Don't forget here ka, end of the sentence. When you want to make question, you need to use ka, end of the sentence. Also, don't forget about nan and then nani or in the sentence nan mean what. Then doko mean where, and then dare mean who. And also don't forget the last lecture, which is we learned about adjectives, right? Which is sike, kirai, and hosi, which is like, dislike, want. Okay, it will help you for creating a sentence. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoy with me about learning anything. So through our through your experience or through your time series, time period. I think you'll like it. In the future it will affect you too much to come up with solution to understand Japanese or solve problems in Japanese. Anyway, thank you so much. Have a good time. I hope you enjoy. Next lecture I will be again here and we will learn different things and you will enjoy it. Thank you. See you later.